Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to change the chat theme on Messenger. So let's start. First open the Messenger app. Now open a conversation. Then tap on the I button on top right corner. Now tap on Theme. Here you can see many themes. Let me select one right now. And here you can see that the theme and emoji is now changed. Now let's change the theme once again. Tap on the I button and then tap on Theme. Now let's try out the chill. Now let's try out another theme. Tap on the I button again. Then tap on Theme. Let's try out some color and gradients. And that's how you can change theme on Messenger. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.